Dzień dobry everyone, good morning. Just another day in Poznań, Poland. So today I'm gonna take you for the Sunday brunch, breakfast somewhere there. And first of all, behind me is the Rynek Jesicki, and I'm gonna take you to take the public transportation, which is a tram or bumba in Poznanian, where Poznanian called like bumba. So yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day today and everybody already going out. Next Jesicki, and now we will buy the ticket to go to the bimba, not bumba, the tram. And this is just like the tram station, so we will go to the number 8. So let's go. Basically you can buy the ticket here like this, Polish, English, and this one. This one, billet. Oh, it has to be with the card, but I don't have the card, but that's okay. I will pay the ticket there straight in the train. We will go to the tram number 8, so in 6 minutes we are here, and we will go to tram number 8. So from Rynek Jesicki we will go to Plac Kopolski. So this is basically the tram information. Actually the traffic situation, and yeah, very nice and peaceful. And this one is still in Jesicki district. The bimba is coming, and one thing about the bimba here is always on time. Haha, so good. Pay for the ticket, so 15 minutes for about 4 swete. 45 minutes at all of this price, so you just need to tap this one and buy and tap your card. Very easy, and this is inside, very clean and safe. At the very back of this tram bimba, and this is how it is. Look inside, it's very clean, aircon, comfy, and the most important thing is that you feel safe inside.
Nastąpią czasowe zmiany w funkcjonowaniu linii kursujących na Lakariach, Wildzie, Łazarzu, Grunwaldzie i w gminie Tarnowo-Podgórne. Szczegóły na stronach ZTM i MPK.
So let's say if you are on a wheelchair and also you need help, something like that, it's very easy and convenient. Look at this fountain. We were here before, but we will stop here in the Plac Yes, go. So I press this one because I will stop here in the Plac Wielkopolski. Let's see. Aha, aha. Another shopping market. Bardzo polecam. Very nice. Let's go. Bimba or the tram here is that wherever you go for the 15-minute trips, you just pay around 4 zloty. 4 zloty is just like 4 times 4,000 rupiah, around 16,000. And inside is very comfortable, very safe, and very easy to navigate. And yeah, it's very nice. Let's look at this beautiful flower shop. Now we are in the Plac Wielkopolski, and we will go somewhere for brunch. Nice. It's just another Rynek, just because of today is weekend. You know, some shops are still closed, and just like this, you see some are open already. And look at this, you see how the babchas shopping. I like shopping. And one thing about Polish ladies, they really love plants. Just like this, everywhere you go they will sell plants, and they really like, you know, green things. Flower shops are everywhere. So nice. Very nice. And I will come here again during the weekdays. Must be much busier. And yeah, let's see. See, in Rynek you will always find so many fresh things. So nice. Wow. New fresh products here. Wow. Ah, see, some places already opening with the sitting outside. That one, and people already having a breakfast. And in this area there are so many hotel or hostels. If you wanna look for the budget one, you can stay here. And over there you see that is the Starry Renek. Look at this beautiful restaurant. The first thing I choose this one because it's green. So I'll show you the menu. And aha, on the weekend they have a special promo, like all the food for the breakfast 10 zloty only. So let's see how it looks, the menu. And don't worry, the menu is also written in English. Let's see what is the breakfast set that they have. Ah, they have a Bali vegan energy bowl. So yeah, I think that a Bali bowls like you know how is the Canggu babe influencer will buy, but they have it here. I will not choose that one. I think that I will choose something like a perfect morning or bagels, egg benedict, something like that. I'm not sure. And look, they also have a sweet, this one. I'll just wait for Damian. Damian's still on the way. And this one is the look of the restaurant. See, everything here is green. This is what I told you, police people really like the green things. And even a small palm tree here. Aha, finally arrived Kahanye. You must be busy, yeah?
Busy. Always busy. No, that's good.
Okay, so I order you a salmon bagel, salmon or something, avocado bagel, and I've got my big breakfast basically. And this place, you see, surround me. Now busy. And I think this one for 10 zloty. 10 zloty, kochanie? It still exists in Poland?
Okay.
Is it Europe?
It is.
10 zloty is just like 40,000 rupiah.
Yours looks nice.
This one, my fully, is like the breakfast also for 10 zloty. Wow, bardzo. Polecam. If you're curious how much we paid, around 49 zloty. It's just like about 200,000 rupiah. Oh my
Cheaper than
goodness.
Canggu lah.
Cheaper than Canggu. And then this is location close by the Renek, which is the prime location.
Actually, Renek is just there behind you.
And you see
This is
many,
prime location.
very prime location. You see that surround me, many people are coming, more and more. Wow, bardzo. Polecam.
Bardzo.
And the food is so tasty.
Very nice. And coffee good.
That's the Starry Renek. And if you're curious what's the name of the restaurant, it is called Orzo. Where is it? Here, Ulica Wielka. So inside there is a green theme restaurant with so many plants, and outside it's so enjoyable like this. Kochanie. Oh, look at the people behind you. Oh, see, more and more people are coming. It's amazing. Nice.
It's actually interesting. This is some sort of like a guide, but with creative vision.
Right. I don't know why people are waiting here, but look at this. So busy. Wow. Let's see what's gonna happen. Beautiful, and it's amazing to see that how people are here gathering, just wait for 5 minutes waiting for the 12, which is Duana stage, and suddenly the two goats, Pira, coming out from the the clock over there and showing that how it is. This is the symbol of the Poznan city. It's amazing. See more and more people coming. Wow, this is actually the summer vibe in Poznan, Poland. It's busy. This is just like the ocean of human. Wow, wow, and wow. And yay, finally the fountain is just with the water now. See, this is the Pira or the goat, that the symbol of Poznan. Amazing. Oh wow. This is amazing. Wow. 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 This is amazing. This is what I told you, as this place is super duper packed of people. Thousands of people are here. Wow. Woohoo, look at this balloon. Woohoo. So nice. Look at these colorful buildings around. Wow. 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 Wow, look at this. Amazing. Awesome. Almost all the restaurant are taken. Wow, look at this lady in front of me. Wow. Lady or statue? Amazing. Look at this now. Oleh-oleh shop. Wow. So many things here. Wow. Wow and wow. You see now all the restaurant is busy. This amazing artistic, I don't know how to say, it's just like amazing. Wow. And from this side, it's beautiful. At this beautiful green restaurant. Oh, this one is the pierogi restaurant. Pierogi na Stary Młyn. Awesome. With the Rinek as the background. I see that many people are coming inside. So let's go. What is it? Oh, that is church inside. Look at the architecture building.
Kończyłaś na pielgrzymka Chełmska, coś szczęśliwego Rodnina. Też biskup Ronakis, który jest chorobą, która przecież jest chorobą postępującą, chorobą śmiertelną. I dlatego bez pomocy łaski.
It's very bright, sunny and hot and busy, packed. people. So what I can say then, it's beautiful summer in Europe, affordable food in Poznan. So what do you ask for more? Everything is here. So yeah, I think that's all my video today. Damian has to go back to work. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.